Very good morning, students. After your term 1 exam, now we will start chapter number 3 of your economics book, that is money and credit. So money and credit, first we have to understand the meaning of what is money and what is credit. So here money means the medium of exchange. If you buy anything or if you sell anything against the goods or services, what in terms of exchange we give to the value of that good or service is known as money. So money simply act as a medium of exchange for goods and services. Whereas credit means like we can take the goods now and we can pay it later. So that is what money and credit is. But this system which we are having now, that is the medium of exchange, was not in earlier days. In earlier days, it was depending on the demands of goods and services. For example, I need a bag of wheat and another one is in need of clothes. I have clothes, other one has bag of wheat. So we collaborate each other, and for the bag of wheat, I can give him some clothes. This is known as either barter system or double coincidence of wants. Wants means the wants of the people, and double coincidence means I need what another one is having and another one needs what I am having. But it has so many drawbacks. Drawbacks means we cannot calculate the value of money. I mean, एक बैग ऑफ वीट देने के लिए मुझे कितने कपड़े देने आई कैन नॉट कैलकुलेट. Then every time it is not possible that two people, those who need each other's goods, are available. So the barter system could not survive for long and it got failed after few minutes. Sorry, after few years. So barter system or double coincidence of want could not survive for long. Then it comes the modern forms of money. It was felt that some medium of exchange is required. So then it comes the modern forms of money. So in modern forms of money, it is currency, deposits with banks, credit and debit cards. It is not given in your NCERT book, but now it is also treated as the modern form of money. Then digital cash, check payments, etc. These are the modern forms of money. Now we will go through one by one. Currency is either the coins or the paper notes. That too in earlier days, at the time of independence, before that and little bit later on that, it was holding the value of its own. वैल्यू ऑफ इट्स ओन का मतलब है जैसे सोने की कॉइन्स होते थे, चांदी के कॉइन्स होते थे, तो अगर वो एक्सचेंज के रूप में नहीं काम आते थे तो वो लेटर ऑन इट कुड बी सोल्ड ऑफ टू गेट द मनी. बट नाउ द करेंसी ऑफ पेपर नोट्स और कॉइन्स दैट डज नॉट होल्ड द वैल्यू ऑफ इटसेल्फ, मतलब उनकी अपने आप में कोई कीमत नहीं है. दे कैन ओनली यूज फॉर एक्सचेंज पर्पस. हम उनको बेचकर कुछ नहीं कर सकते. इट इज ओनली यूज फॉर एक्सचेंज पर्पस. सो पेपर नोट्स, coins, these are known as currency. Then another form of money is deposits with bank. We usually keep our money to the bank. We give our money to the bank for our security purpose or later needs. So in bank there are three types of main deposits. Savings. Saving deposit is that deposit which the customer does in the bank, and as and when they require, they can get the money back, and anytime they can deposit, anytime they can withdraw. Then current deposits. Current deposit is that type of deposit which generally businessman holds, and they have to deposit daily cash and they can take it whenever it is required for the business purpose. Magar current deposit mein the customer has to give some charges, whereas in saving they get the interest. Then another is fixed deposit. Fixed deposit is also known as term deposit. अब term deposit का मतलब होता है for particular period of time, maybe from 13 days to 7 years, 10 years, the money is deposited. Meanwhile, it cannot be withdrawn, and the rate of interest which bank gives to us is more as compared to saving. So these are the three types of deposits with banks. Now another form of modern form of money is credit card or debit cards. Credit card is that card where the bank gives you certain amount of money without the money is being in your account. आपको बैंक क्रेडिट कार्ड में आप क्रेडिट कार्ड से कुछ भी खरीद सकते हैं. आपकी क्रेडिट कार्ड की लिमिट तय होती है एज पर योर अकाउंट एंड योर स्टेटस इन द बैंक. उसमें से आप कुछ भी खरीद सकते हैं. विद इन 40 to 50 days यू हैव टू पे बैक द मनी टू द बैंक. मतलब एक तरह से उधार लेने के लिए आपको कार्ड इशू होता है. एंड डेबिट कार्ड इज दैट कार्ड बाय विच अगेन यू कैन टेक एनी बाय एनी गुड्स, बट हियर वन कंडीशन इज देयर. द अमाउंट विच यू आर यूजिंग फॉर बाइंग एंड सेलिंग मस्ट बी इन योर अकाउंट. आपके अकाउंट से ₹1 ज़्यादा की भी आप परचेसिंग नहीं कर सकते. वॉट एवर मनी इज देयर इन योर अकाउंट दैट मच यू कैन टेक. नेक्स्ट इज डिजिटल कैश. डिजिटल कैश में आजकल आपने नाम सुना होगा यूपीआई. ओके, so UPI is there or net banking is there where we just have to click some digits like date of birth, card number and all, and the money is being transferred. That is known as digital cash. The payment can be made through checks also. So for check payment we need to know there are 3 types of check: account pay check, self check and bearer check. In your book there is a layout given for account pay check. So account pay check is that check where in place of pay जिसको हम चेक दे रहे हैं हम उसका नाम लिखते हैं. Then that check is given to that person after signing and putting the amount and date. Here the column is there for date. Then here on the left side the bank name is written, IFSC code is written. IFSC code वो कोड होता है जो हर बैंक को एक यूनिक कोड मिला है. अगर आपने IFSC कोड नंबर 11 डिजिट का होता है, अल्फा न्यूमरिक, मतलब उसमें अल्फ़ाबेट्स भी होते हैं और डिजिट्स भी होते हैं. उससे आप उस बैंक की ब्रांच को ट्रेस कर सकते हैं कौन सी ब्रांच है. फिर चेक नंबर होता है, कोडिंग होता है एंड सिग्नेचर आर रिक्वायर्ड. इफ दिस चेक इज गिवन टू एनीबडी, ही और शी हैज़ टू डिपॉजिट दैट चेक इनटू हिज और हर अकाउंट. इसको आप डायरेक्ट इन कैश नहीं करवा सकते. ये चेक अगर आप बैंक में देंगे तो सबसे पहले आपके अकाउंट में डिपॉजिट होगा, उसके बाद ही आप उससे पेमेंट ले सकते हैं. So these are the contents of your chapter which we are dealing today, that is money, credit, money as a medium of exchange, double coincidence of wants or barter system, modern forms of money. मॉडर्न फॉर्म्स ऑफ मनी जो आई उसमें करेंसी और पेपर नोट्स आए, कॉइन्स आए. देन बैंक डिपॉजिट्स आइदर इन सेविंग अकाउंट, करंट अकाउंट, फिक्स्ड डिपॉजिट्स. देन क्रेडिट कार्ड एंड डेबिट कार्ड्स, डिजिटल कैश and check payments. So I hope it is understood. In any case, do let me know so that the doubts can be cleared. Thank you.